I'm going to show you an incredible color-changing reaction using bromothymol blue, a chemical indicator that changes color depending on the pH of a solution. Before I add it, the indicator is blue, but the moment it touches this solution, something surprising happens. It instantly turns bright yellow. That single color change already tells us an important clue about the solution. At this point, the solution is acidic, and the indicator responds immediately. Now let's make things even more exciting. I'm dropping a small piece of sodium metal into the solution. Watch very carefully because everything starts changing in just a few seconds. Sodium reacts vigorously with water, producing sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. As the reaction continues, the acidity begins to decrease, and the pH slowly rises. The color starts changing again. First, the bright yellow fades into green. This green color tells us that the solution is getting closer to neutral. But the reaction doesn't stop there. As more sodium hydroxide is produced, the solution becomes alkaline, and the indicator changes one more time. The green slowly turns into a beautiful deep blue. It's amazing to watch chemistry reveal what's happening through nothing but color. But there's one final surprise. I add another solution to the beaker and almost instantly, the deep blue disappears. Right before our eyes, the solution changes back to bright yellow. That tells us the pH has shifted once again and the indicator immediately responds to the new conditions. This experiment is a perfect demonstration of how acid-base indicators can reveal invisible chemical changes through dramatic color transformations. Chemistry is amazing. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing chemistry experiments from Shock Lab.